Financially, it is Victory Chukwu again, and this time around, I'm looking at gold markets. Yes, so the routine already. Subscribe, like, follow, share. Yes, you can all do that. So into the video. So this one is going to be real quick. Already, you know that gold is established uptrend, though we did see market get a bit uh, sideways right over this particular level before we got the breakout of here, and then we now have a breakout with this particular candle, and market has just been a bit up, and then we now see a bit of 2 days. Thursday closed as an indecision, and then so far so good. The market is not yet closed, but this is what we're getting on today, Friday. And I'm going to talk about the whole move real quick so that we know what we're expecting come next week, because two things is going to play out come next week. Let me just quickly analyze it. So when the market was pushing up, though I did get in early on the buys, I noted that price will get to 250 around. Yeah, I was so sure that market will get to 250, and I did share it with friends. I did not share it with friends that market would get to 250. And then one thing I also talked about with friends was that there is a high percent chance that price will will pull back to 3,000 around this area. And while discussing it with friends, I took my horizontal row and then I placed it here on the 301. I placed it right there on the mark. And why did I place it there? Because that was Monday's closing price. So I placed that level because I know that if this trade should reverse, is coming to the opening price of the week, and so I placed it as a level that market will most likely get a bounce from. And so far so good, though the market day is not yet closed. You can see that my point of interest is very, very valid, in the sense that what do we see market do so far from here? We've seen market done this. Market on Tuesday, on this candle broke and went up, but as it went right up, this is what Thursday did, close as indecision candle right over here, though it failed to take out Tuesday's low. Today's move on gold was able to take out not just Thursday's low, but also Wednesday's low. Sorry, I said Tuesday's low. Sorry, I meant Wednesday's low. So Thursday failed to take out Wednesday's low, and then today, being Friday, though the market is not closed, it has collected Thursday low and Wednesday's low. So all those who are getting bullish from that level with this move have been liquidated. But you see where the market reacted from and start pushing back up at the level. So these are the things that market gives us. They are always constant in trading. The closing price of the day, the opening price, the lowest points that price get to, and the highest point that price get to. Mark these levels on your chart. Keep them on your chart, because when market gets to these levels, they will react. They will serve as these three levels that I just talked about. The opening, the lowest points that the market got to, which is the low of the day, and the highest point that market got to, which is the high of the day, especially that of Monday. You need to mark it and also mark the closing price. Because when market gets to that those levels, it doesn't ignore it, it reacts. And you can see this as clearly as markets reacted to this. Even though, yes, there was a bit of a dump on gold today. So that is one thing. And right over there was market respecting it. Now, even when I entered this particular trade, this was my entry though around 95. I was in this trade around 95, and I did not close it. Even with the whole profit to 0.50, I did not close it. I'm still on this trade. I'm still, because my reason for being on this trade is not still invalidated. That's one thing for sure. I was already expecting to pull back to 3,000, and yeah, so far so good for now. Markets still have some hours to go for a close, but today's closing is very, very important. And the reason why I'm not bothered by the whole of this selling pressure right here is because today is a Friday, and on days like Friday, we sometimes get irrational price behavior. What do I mean by that? Some institutions, hedge firms will be closing on their position for the week, and yeah, so the sharks closing some of their positions for the week will also cause price action to movement to be like this. So where for me, I just see all these as take profits. Traders taking their profits after this institution on Thursday. So the big way started closing the position today being Friday, and then we just had a dump on the markets. Yes. So for the direction for gold next week, where will gold go to? Now there's two things that is coming into play. For sure, it is established that this level over here, 3,000 naira, is confirmed support. So if market closes above 3,000, we watch to see what Monday will do. Intraday Monday, if market should go lower intraday on Monday, this is what I'm expecting. Intraday on Monday, I'm expecting to see market do this. I'm expecting market to maybe do this, come and then sweep, give us a bit. It's also a sweep of the body of this particular candle. If it's going to be extended, at least say let's take out the low over here, the low of that particular candle before we get the pushback. But if after we get the sweep to this particular level, a market still closes around below this level on Monday, you understand, then and Tuesday closes below this level on Tuesday, then there is a high chance that we might see this from the market. We might see this from the market. You can see market coming to fill out this imbalance over here before tanking up. So this particular level right over here will now be the most important level to watch out to see whether the market will pick up from there. And this is for those who will be looking for the shorts. So this is something that might likely play out on Monday. Say price maybe is from somewhere around here, market opens, market comes down, sweep here and closes maybe around here on Monday, and then we now have the push up to here. That is on Tuesday we have a retest and market stop down retest. Then on Wednesday we now have a push, sweep the low, and then comes right down to this level on Wednesday. And then on Thursday we now have something like this market picking up from this level, hits here, resistance, push back, and then get something like this till maybe Friday and maybe a reclaim. And this is a possible scenario on gold for the sell projection. If market should go any lower, this is what I'll be expecting. This is the behavior I'll be expecting in the weeks to come, and that will just be for the sell. Now for the buy, if markets if this market, sorry guys, I think I made a mistake. Let me get this again. So if market should, let's say, here serves as resistance and market open up above that level, we can see this particular area playing, coming to like serving as a higher low on a daily time frame, because 2350 is already a higher high. So that level can serve as at 3000 can serve as a higher low on a daily time frame, and the market picks up from there, goes into these lows, and this low serves as resistance, push price back down to the maybe the opening price of this, to or the closing price of this particular candle, wherever it will close today. Market is still open, but let's say market closes here or market closes here below, and then we now have a push back up, clear out early sellers here, and push price back up to this level to clear out these early sellers on a Friday, and then maybe we just get us a little pushback again, and then in the days to come straight to a all-time high. So if market is picking up from there, we just target, and then maybe just get levels like 080, comes back again to this point, and then from there we target up to 4k. 4k, no, sorry, yeah, 3100. So that is it for how gold might likely behave. So this is both for the buy and sell, what I'm expecting from it. And if I should, like, let me say, I do analyze on the higher time frame because it has more power. Let me say I should go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, because I was talking about sweeps and all. I do use a section indicator for me to be able to get an easier makes it easier. So this is the point I'm trying to make. Now you see, this was the area right around here where buyers were getting bullish right on Wednesday and even a bit early on Thursday. Buyers were bullish here, but with today, the whole move today, what all the buyers that are here, most of them have been liquidated, but we still have buyers around this level. So this is also a magnet, and that's why I said intraday on Monday there's a chance that we can have a sweep to come and take out these buyers around this level, last liquidity. But in doing so, if these buyers should be taken out, now remember that this particular candle right over here, it has no single retrace, so that too can also serve as a magnet to push price a bit lower to this level over here. So maybe if we have a sweep of these early buyers, we now have a 30%, 38% to 50% retracement to 61% retracement of that candle, and then market continues on the uptrend to come and clear out all these sellers that are selling from this place, because they are also liquidity. But for now, one thing is for sure, depending on where market closes, anybody that was selling from this particular level for now is trapped. And you can see why that level stood, because we don't have touches right over here on Friday, and we have touches here on Monday before it broke out. So that place has acted as resistance twice, and so far so good. It acted as support when we have the first touch there. So let's watch and see whether the second touch on the 4 hours will break it or not. And that is all on gold. And that is all on gold. Though the structure is giving you a bit of like a loss in momentum. You're having something like this, but mind you, even though that this is a high over here, and that was a high over there, there is still not a predefined low. These are just equal lows right over here. These are just equal lows right over through that channel. So there is not yet a defined low. This is the first time with the dumping that we're seeing market trading below these lower lows. If we are to get a change in market structure in interim, like market wants to maybe go on a major correction, the market needs to push up to give us a lower high for us to know that, oh, we're getting a deeper correction into levels like this. So until we get that, still mind you that the overall trend is still an uptrend, so you know where you're getting short from. So these are things to watch out on gold chart, and this is all I see on the market. Good luck and all the best to the gold traders.